Okay, we actually stayed at a free place in Springfield, Missouri. It's a car museum, Route 66 car museum. Oh, that was awesome. But they're a harvest host, so we were able to stay for free in their parking lot. But I had to buy a T-shirt. That's at these harvest hosts. They just ask that you purchase something from the business. I mean, if you don't see anything you like, you obviously don't have to purchase. But now we are at this free conservation area west of Springfield, only about 30 minutes. But this is beautiful. Look at this. We just had supper, and sun's going down. Let's see if I can get through here. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, there's some cows bawling over here. But look at that. Look at that. So picturesque. Look at that. I've loved the landscape of Missouri. The pasture with cows and the trees up there. Oh my gosh, let's yeah, so I got to catch up on some editing here. I am like 4 videos behind right now, just because we keep filming and I don't have a chance to edit. So, or moving, which that typically kills a day. But anyway, we're gonna spend 5 or 6 days here editing and just not spending any money. So I'll check back in. We do have the highway right there. It's like a county highway. Get some traffic once in a while, but and there's only 5 spots here. Got 1 spot down here, and then there's 4 spots here. And this that little camper van, he was there when we got here today. So yeah. We'll check back in if anything film worthy, or what I think you guys might like. So we'll see you maybe here or wherever we're going. Okay, so this right here, this is where in the Civil War, 1861, where the Battle of Carthage took place. This is right here, the Battle of Carthage. This was the first major battle of the Civil War.
11 days prelude, the Bull Run. So we have the first battle. So there's the basic facts and figures there.
Yeah, this is who was all here. The Union had 1,100 armed troops, 8 cannon, large baggage train with over 30 wagons. It was actually the Missouri State Guard that commanded by Governor Claiborne Fox Jackson, and the Union was Colonel Franz Sigel. Missouri had 200 casualties, and the Union retreated to Sarcoxie, Missouri, with 44 casualties and 1 wagon lost. Yeah, so there was some blood in this soil.
All right, so we are at Red Oak 2, which is just outside of Carthage, Missouri, and it's a town that, well, there was an artist, Lowell Davis. He lived here on this farm that was just basically empty cornfields, and he's from around the area. And when he went back to his original town where he was born, Red Oak, he went back there in 1970 only to find out that it was now a ghost town. So by the 1980s, he started buying the buildings and taking buildings from the ghost town, from his original town, and buying them and bringing them back over here. He found buildings in other ghost towns around the area, brought them back here and renovated them and brought them back to their old grandeur of what they used to be. So now it's like a little town. It's free. They're not really open, I guess. You just kind of do a lot of walking through and just kind of walking around. So this is Red Oak 2, based on the original Red Oak.
Yeah, there's some interesting and quirky stuff we've already seen driving in. So we'll just walk around.
I guess some of these places do have people living in them.
Yeah, so we don't want to just walk in. Or peep in.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on.
This has got a really unique feel to it.
Piece of history that's been kept.
This barn donated by Sarcoxy Nursery. Spiders everywhere. Spiders everywhere in Missouri. Oh, that's a private residence there. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Look at the stuff.
Like an old milk? Yeah, it is, old dairy wagon.
Well, got some old milk bottles in there too. All right, this
Old gas station lights?
this is interesting. Yeah, maybe an old old gas station.
The gas pump, small gas station. Yeah, it's got some gas stuff in it. Baker State oil standard.
Cool looking stuff. Ha! Red Oak Child Care Center. 50 cents per hour. Not sure. I think somebody might live back there, so I'm not gonna go back there. Puppy, hi puppy. Hi. Hooker.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama.
Marshall's office. Oh, Ralph Hooker. Marshall, Ralph Hooker. So that must have been his place.
Oh, that's probably his house. He was a marshal.
Oh yeah, there's a jail. There's a jail in there. Oh, there's Ralph Hooker's gravestone headstone right there.
I think this is original, or did he like move the gravestones?
Gosh, I don't think he'd dig up graves and bring them here.
I think so.
It's like some old house. Looks like somebody's still living there. The dude created his own little town. He moved a little town here. There's an airplane back there.
Wow.
I think So beach 26, beach 19 or beach 26 or something. I'm guessing they hold some kind of events out there, maybe weddings or something. It's got a dock.
Maybe a lake house from somewhere?
Must have been. Woman's work. The boys' night out. Dalton gang. And an old 53 Chevy. Windsor. It's Chrysler. Church. Now here's some art. Our old gas station. Those pumps are worth something. Well, that one's broke though. Bees. That is something else. Corrugated. Looks like they built it to fly too. See through the windshield? Oh gosh. Cut the roof off, and now you have his own driver here, chauffeur. There's the general store. A schoolhouse with some old playground equipment.
Wow, I mean that
What do you say?
that took a lot of time and energy.
What do you
and
say about
money.
that? Wow, wow.
Yeah, I mean that guy is he's really devoted to do this. Amazing.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Okay. Yeah.
We bring you quirky, don't we? Interesting, historic, quirky. All
It
right,
is.
on to the next adventure.